Alright guys, so here we are doing an update on this YouTube situation and advertising things. I'm just doing a quick video here with my phone to the computer. Nothing fancy, no editing, nothing like that. This is pretty much for my the guys that support here the channel. You guys want to be informed on everything that's going on, so I wanted to share this with you. Some of you guys that create videos as well. I've been talking to guys like Brad for Full Spectrum Survival. I talked to the Daily Shooter. I talked to Shwell 11, and all those guys have same thing happened to them. Now, initially yesterday, I put a video where this video right here was the one that was having some issues. For whatever reason, now it's showing monetized. You can see it right there. They didn't do anything. They didn't. All I did was go to sleep, wake up. Now it's monetized. But now check this out, guys. I went into my analytics, and essentially what I went here, not claim, and I click here, kind of show you the videos that are monetized, the videos that are not monetized. And this is the list that I came out. Again, like I said, I thought it was going to be one video, but look at this: 50 kill, 9 club, ISIS, 10, almost 10,000 views, 9,200, not advertising friendly. How to stop a suicide bomber, not advertising friendly. Killing women and children, not advertising friendly. So you guys see the key here. Essentially, they're targeting all this words, you know, like kill, ISIS, Syrian refugees, not advertising friendly. Mass terrorist attack, again, not advertising friendly. So guns would get you killed, not advertising friendly. I mean, I could keep going. ISIS, not advertising friendly. Take a stand, not advertising friendly. I could go on and on. Another terrorist attack, not advertising friendly. So I could go on all day long here. Not sure why this video is not advertising friendly. I mean, this is Rap 1, which you guys know is a great knife, versus SC Avispa. I think it has to do something with the Avispa, and I'll show you in the next page. So far, guys, I got about 35 videos that are not advertising friendly. Now, this one is not advertised, as you can see right here, mainly because that was a collaboration, so it has some content ID issues. Essentially, we posted the same video in 2 different channels. Obviously, you cannot do that. That's why that's not advertised. The same thing with this video, but the rest of the one, gun control, not advertising friendly. I mean, it's just ridiculous. And the problem with this is that this is going to have a mass effect in many channels out there, because again, the fact that you cannot advertise this video means that a lot of creators won't be able to sustain and support their channels. You see here, SC Avispa, for whatever reason, I mean, that's a knife review. It's not advertising friendly. It has 4,200 views. And here's the key. Some of these videos you could tell that I did a long time ago. Like, look at this. August 15 of 2014. I mean, we talking about coming up to 3 years this year, and not advertising friendly. So they're going back into your channel. They're searching the entire communities, and this is what's happening. I mean, it's very sad, because this would end up, channels that are great, you know, channels like Full Spectrum Survival that constantly are putting good news, good reliable information, are going to be essentially having issues with this part of the being monetized. So now, I don't know why. I don't know if they would do this to CNN or channel Fox News, channels like that are part of a network. I don't know. But the smaller channels, the guys that are trying to pass critical information that is well needed, are probably going to have issues, because, like I said, once again, they won't be able to monetize the information. Some of you guys are going to say, well, you know, you should do this for free anyway. This is not to make money. Come on, man. Like, really think about this. How much do you think it takes to make videos? How much do you think it takes to review a pistol, to review a flashlight? I mean, it takes time, it takes dedication, it takes money, it takes internet, it takes equipment, it takes a bunch of rounds to review a pistol. It takes, you know, your time that you're taking away from your family to create these videos. It does take that. So if you cannot make money like it's going to happen to a lot of videos, a lot of people, they won't be able to sustain it. I mean, that's just the matter of the game. That's just how it is. Now, 35 videos, guy. I mean, I got over 1,000 videos in the channel, and I'm sure this 35 videos are going to affect me, but I'm going to survive. I'm going to continue going. I got great supporters, guys that love the channel, guys that are with me for a long time and been supporting me. I appreciate that. I got guys on Patreon donating money to the channel and things like that. So I'll be all right. I'll be okay. But this is something to keep in mind. If you are a creator, if you make YouTube videos, know that ISIS, kill, suicide, those are keywords that they are targeting. And if you do that kind of video, once again, the possibility of not being monetized and not being able to make a little bit of money out of your video is going to be throwing out of the way. Now, videos like this, they don't make a lot of money, but when you put them collectively, they do make some money. And again, that's how a lot of creators, including myself right here, could afford to do some videos. So hopefully YouTube doesn't do this to everyone, because seriously, if they do this to all the creators, to the gun community, to the survival, to the prepping community, there is a large possibility that people won't be able to make good videos. I mean, crappy videos like this one with a cell phone and just really crappy quality are going to continue to be made. But when you see videos like Brad here from Full Spectral Survival, there are amazing quality with amazing cameras and, very, very good videos. Those videos, the ability to make those videos is going to be minimized. So again, very, very sad, guys. I mean, I'm going to continue to work on this. My next step is going to be maybe changing the titles, maybe changing the thumbnails, obviously clicking on the yellow tag and resubmitting, review my video. I believe it's advertising friendly. Resubmitting everything again. I'm not sure if a machine is going to look at it or if it's actually going to be a person. So again, once again, appreciate the support. And as always, guys, God is in control.